Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials. Today we're gonna have a look at how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. And a little spoiler alert, it is really simple. For this purpose, I created a Google Sheets document and added products and sales, let's say for a fast food chain. I have burgers, fries, hot dogs, popcorn, and tacos. And on the right hand side in column C, I have the different sales numbers. Let's suppose these are the sales in October. So now I want to transfer this data set into a pie chart. The first step I do is I mark all of the data. So I mark the headers as well as the sales numbers and the categories or the different products. So after that, I can go on to Insert, and here I choose Chart. And as you can see, Google Sheets automatically converts this data set into a pie chart. And you can see here that it shows the percentages. It also shows the labels, which are the products in these cases, perfectly, and it even gives it the title sales, because this is the header of the second row of the second column, here. So, and this is not the only display format. There are three different pie chart types I can also show you, because once the pie chart is created, it also opens up the chart editor. And here, as you can see, the pie chart is already selected. And this is the suggested pie chart, but you can go down here and you see all the different pie charts. So there's this regular pie chart, you have the donut chart with the hole in the middle, and you also have a 3D pie chart. And it's important to know that through customization, you can do each of these types yourself. But I could now easily switch to a donut chart, and as you can see, automatically in real time it's converted, the pie chart is converted into a donut chart. Alright, also I show you the 3D type pie chart that you can use. This looks like that, and still of course the same data. So now what you can also do with the pie chart is, of course, you can do customization. So if I go on the second menu item here in the chart editor, I have customization here. And here I can go on the pie chart, and as an example, I can change the donut hole. I could say it should only be 25%, so I have a much smaller donut hole, or it could be 0. Then I just go back to the basic 3D pie chart style. Also, I can choose the slice labels. So I could say the slice labels should be the values. So I would also have the values here in conjunction with the percentage values. Or I can say I want to have the percentages here as the slice labels, or I can choose value and percentages, or no slice labels at all. Also, I can add a border color. Here in that case it's not possible for the 3D type, but if in general type I can also choose a border color. But I can not only choose the pie chart looks, I can also change the pie slices. So I can go on an individual pie slice. Let's say the popcorn is the most important. I just click on that and I can add a distance from the center, so it's really highlighted. Let's add 25% as an example, and you see here now that popcorn is really highlighted as the most important category. But I can go further and also change the chart axis title. So I can say I don't want to have just sales, I want to say October sales. I would just add that, and then you can see in real time it's changed to October sales. And of course I can add the font and font sizes and all of that. And of course I can also do customizations to the legend. So this was the automated way how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. But if I don't mark the data, I can also create that manually. I'm just going to go a step back and show you. So let's suppose I have not highlighted the data because I still want to change and add things. Of course, I could also do that if I have already selected. But let's suppose I want to create it from scratch. So I would just go on Insert again, click on Chart. Here I would then choose, change the column chart to the pie chart. Let's choose the general pie chart here. And now it asks me for the values and labels, and I have to add the ranges now. So for the values, I can just, I'm just going to move that a bit. I can just select the range here for the values, and then I click on OK. As you can see now, the percentage values are already in there, but I also want to add the labels. So I click into the labels, and then I click here on the data range. Now I just have to highlight all the labels, which are the products in this case, and now I click on OK. And as you can see, we now have pretty much the same pie chart that we had before. So I can just manually create what Google would do automatically if I have highlighted the data in advance. So this is how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If so, please give it an actual like, follow our channel, and hit the notification bell so you're always notified when new videos are coming out. Thank you so much. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and goodbye.